Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be showing you how I created this manicure using Revel Nail Beach Please collection. So here are the close-up look of the powders. So the first one is in the shade Crush. Next is in the shade Swell. And lastly, the shade Babe, and this is a very bright red color. And for the liquids, I will be using my Revel Nail Pro Base as well as the activator. And for my top coat, I will be using my Blue Sky No Wipe top coat. So to start off, I will be applying a nail dehydrator on all of my nails. This will just remove the natural oil on my nails. You can also use acetone and just rub it on your nails. Next, I move on to my UNT Peel Off Base. This will just allow me for easy pop-off removal of my manicure. You don't need to apply this on your nail if you want your manicure to last. So then next, I move on to my Pro Base and I apply a thin layer of this on my nail and then immediately dip my nail into the powder and then tap off the excess. So I will be applying the shade Babe on my pointy, pinky, and thumb, and I will be applying 3 coats of this shade. This shade is very beautiful bright red color. If you do like red money as well, you will love this shade. So then once I'm finished with the shade Babe, I move on to the next shade, which is Crush, and I will be applying this on my ring nail. And this shade has a lot of chunky glitter, so I'm only gonna apply 2 layers of this. I also used my dotting tool to clean up around my cuticle, and then I used my other finger to press all the chunky glitters to flatten it up. So once I'm finished with Crush, I move on to the next shade, which is the shade Swell, and this one is very beautiful. I really like this shade. So I will be applying this on my middle nail and I will be applying 3 coats of this shade. And I also want to mention that this shade is very easy to work with compared to the last shade, which is Crush. I think powders with a lot of chunky glitters is a little bit tricky to work with, but still they're all pretty colors. So once I'm finished with all the colors, I move on to my clear to encapsulate my nails and protect it from filing and buffing. It's very important that you clear encapsulate your nails, especially with the shade Crush, because it has a lot of chunky glitters on it and you don't really want to file away all the beautiful design on your nails. So I highly recommend you clear encapsulate your nails. So once I'm finished with clear, I brush up all the excess powder and then I move on to my activator. So I apply generous amount of the activator on all of my nails. This will harden up the powder and make it ready for filing. So So then after a few minutes, I file and bath off camera, and then I use toothbrush to brush off all the dust, and then I clean my nails with alcohol spray. You can also wash your hands if you want to. Next, I move on to my Blue Sky No Wipe top coat, and I apply 2 coats of this on all of my nails and cure it for 30 seconds. You can always use your dip powder top coat if you want to. So once my nails are cured, I apply cuticle oil. And we are done. That's it guys for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you on my next one.